Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I live in the UK. You can find me on Instagram and on Facebook as Linda Simpson Designs. I have a group, and if you would like to join, then please do. Today we have got the August giveaway. Can you believe it's August already, guys? I can't believe it. So August's giveaway, what have we got? First off, before I tell you about it, what I've got for the giveaway this month, just to let you know some of the rules, which are you need to be 18 years and over. My giveaways are always worldwide, and you need to be a subscriber of my channel. All the this is my giveaway. YouTube is nowhere affiliated with this. I've paid for the giveaway with my own money, and in the description box below there's going to be a link to share with you, show you how to make your channel subscribe, you know, who you are subscribed to, public, so I can see. And also what else I was going to say, I can't remember now, lost my train of thought. Anyway, all the links are, all the rules are below, as per YouTube's regulations. And let's go on to what the prize is for this month's giveaway. So this month we have got, we've got yarn and we've got notions, and what we've got is Stylecraft Aran, which is a 4-weight. This colour is magenta and you get 3 of those, and this is 100 grams and it's 100% premium acrylic, approximately 196 meters, 214 yards. So they will make a nice hat and cowl set, I think, or even a hat and fingerless gloves. So the opportunity, you know, what you can create with this is endless. Also, you are going to get a 4mm hook. You're going to get a pink tape measure, 2 tapestry needles, some stitch markers, and as you all know, my saying is be kind. And Arjun has made me some key rings that says be kind with the butterfly. So yeah, so that is the giveaway. What are the words that I want? Today's the 7th, obviously the first Monday of August, so it goes live from today and it closes on the 25th of August, and the winner will be announced on the 28th of August. And the word I'd like you to use is magenta. If you can type the word magenta into your comment, that would be awesome. And as I said, check out the description box below for all the rules and regulations as set by YouTube, and also the link to make your who you are subscribed to public. You can reverse that action if you wish to after the closing date of the giveaway. Once the giveaway winner's announced, you don't have to keep it open. It's, you know, it's entirely up to you, but one of the stipulations is you need to be subscribed to my channel. So, and I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I've had quite a few new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy, and I think that's all from me for today. So don't forget the word magenta. Take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.